Your key to success, CMS to choose. Your key to success, CMS to choose. So what is CMS? A content management system is a software application or set of related programs that are used to create and manage digital content. According to Sitecore.com, content management systems give answers to how easily can you create, edit, post, and manage web content, including text, images, video, and audio. So, how to choose the right one? In this content-driven world, you are bound to deliver fresh information every time you are seeking to connect with your employees and customers. There are hundreds of content management systems available, all with their unique features and benefits. Today, I will talk about three of them: WordPress and Squarespace, both open source CMSs, and Craft CMS, which is not entirely open source. So, let's start with the first one. WordPress started as a simple blogging platform back in 2003. Since then, it has evolved to become a content management system and an application development framework. In simple words, you can easily build any type of website using WordPress. According to W3 Text, WordPress powers 34% of all the websites on the internet, including those without a content management system or with a custom coded CMS. Or to put in another way, WordPress powers over 1/3 of the web. WordPress holds a 60% market share for content management systems on websites with a known CMS. There are 18,000 extensions and over 14,000 free design templates. The software's large user community benefits from the enormous selection of the themes, plugins, and widgets. 5-minute installation via Wizard. Because of the low effort basic installation, WordPress is good for small and simply structured websites, especially for bloggers who want to provide their visitors with a frequently changing content in attractive layout. Most of the hosting companies offers a one-click installation for WordPress. Search engine friendly URLs, which means that those URLs don't contain any cryptic letters or elements in them. It is considerably better to use search engine friendly URLs for search engines as well as for users. They are easy to read and can express the content of your site. It is also easy for visitors to remember your URL, and they can help to and they can help visitors to see where they are on your website. Publishing and managing tools for mobile solutions. So WordPress is mobile friendly. Pros of using WordPress. WordPress is free and gives you complete control of your website. You own and control all your website files and data. You are not tied to any web hosting company, and you can move your website anywhere you want. It gives you access to a huge collection of extensions, add-ons, and plugins to extend your website. This enormous access to professional applications allows you to make anything you want. You are in charge of your website. So you can keep it simple and only add new features as your website grows. You can make your website super fast and use all the neat SEO best practices to bring new users. Super easy to customize. With thousands of website designs and templates to choose from, each of them comes with different customization options, allowing you to create truly unique websites. Uh, Due to its popularity, almost all popular third party tools already have integrations available for WordPress. So your email marketing software, lead generation tool, SEO tools, payment gateways will all work on on WordPress. WordPress is not perfect. It has some disadvantages that you may want to keep in mind when you are choosing your platform. Um, CMS functions require additional extensions, so it means plugins. You will need to download and install loads of plugins, and they often have security gaps. Uh, you are responsible for security, making backups and installing updates. Of course, you can automate all those tasks, but they will still require your attention, unless you are using one of those managing WordPress hosting companies. Lots of updates. And updates are going to be constant. And I'm not saying that they will happen every day, but they will happen a lot. To prepare to update your core website files, plugins, or themes at least few times a month. You might have to roll back WordPress to a previous state if you run into problems. Security is a big challenge for many users. The fact that WordPress is the most used CMS makes it prime target for cyber criminals. Um, so, if you intend to go the DIY way of building and managing a new site, or your business needs a website in the most cost-effective way, WordPress might be the best platform to use. Squarespace is a software as a service website builder. You pay a monthly fee to use it, but everything you need to build and maintain your site is provided as a part of that. Templates, a content management system, hosting, e-commerce, uh, support, and depending on your requirements, you can also have domain. Squarespace are a bit vague on user numbers, but their website states that there are millions of paying Squarespace customers. The real numbers are Squarespace is used by 1.6% of all websites and 2.8% of the websites whose content management system is known by W3 Text. Um, There are two versions of Squarespace. First, there is a standard version, which is designed to um, designed to be used by people without web development skills. The vast majority of the Squarespace customers are using this version. There is also a developers version, which allows access to and to the source codes. This permits the addition to greater functionality to Squarespace sites and the creation of bespoke templates. As the name suggests, it's really only suitable for experienced developers. So, why using Squarespace? It is beautiful, rich imagery design templates that also look great on mobile devices. CSS customization, you can customize your CSS. Improved site editor that allows for point and click interactions. Good analytic tools and extensive online support for users of all levels. Free trial, 14-day money back guarantee. Cons of using Squarespace. Currently, Squarespace lacks a third-party widget apps market space. There is no plan for creating a free website. There is also no phone support and some limitations compared to builders like WordPress. Squarespace is fantastic site builder if you are looking for a platform that can help you easily create modern, beautiful, and responsive websites for desktop and mobile. For developers who want more control and performance than WordPress offers, Craft CMS offers a complete solution. The content management system Craft was developed in 2012, but still leads a niche existence. Craft CMS is used by 0.2% of all websites whose content management system is known by W3 Tech, which is 0.1% of all websites. Uh, while other CMS rely on pre-made themes to make design as easy as possible for beginners, Craft assumes that professionals would rather write their own HTML and CSS code. This approach means that the entire system is very tidy. The code of the website stays neat, and the structure of the stored files is also logically organized. Craft also has a clear backend where content editors can easily find their way around and get new articles online. Pros of using Craft. Craft is fast, and I mean crazy fast. This goes for a front end as well as for control panel and tops the many reasons for choosing modern CMS over the older ones. Live preview. For content creators, the live preview is a powerful time-saving feature. You're able to preview a page as you're creating or dropping content in it. You can you can see how your content will look before it goes live without jumping back and forth between preview and content um, entry fields. Nearly all content is in one place. Um, Entries, editors love this and can easily find what they are looking for. Building instead of manipulating. We are like Craft is a big fan of Craft templating tools. Craft uses a highly regarded templating language called Twing, modern template engine for PHP. Cons of using Craft. Only suitable for professional developers, highly licensing costs for full functionality, and I mean high costs. And you need to learn Twing. So Craft is powerful. It built in a more intelligent fashion. It loads faster, and it is building a community of really skilled web developers. As once Paul Coxon said, websites promote you 24/7. No employee will do that. So, what to look for in CMS? When considering right CMS for your needs, try to answer the following questions. What is your budget? What business operations does the CMS need to support? How many different groups of users will be there? Is the platform SEO friendly? How large is the development community? There is no right or wrong answer. It all depends on your needs and taste. Thank you.